can see me. Oh well. What's going on, Texas Rail fans? I'm Railfan Ryan, and this is Texas Railfan 21 coming to you with another model trains railroad video. As you can tell by the title, I have found the holy grail of scientific toy engines. Now, there actually is a picture. When I was a kid, I'll tell you about this in a minute. This is the original 4112 Service Railway Express set from Scientific EZTECH Toys. Now, to tell you about how I came across this engine and how far back it goes is when I was very little, this was my first scientific toy engine. And I still have a picture of me with that engine in one of my mom's scrapbooks. And of course, the only thing I have original from that set is this gondola right here that you've probably have seen in my previous videos. So back to the set. This was made for a very short period of time. And what differs it from the other set, it's more colorful than the second set, which came out in the early 2000s. And this is probably by far my rarest scientific toy train set in my collection. Compared to, by the way, that's not the engine I use. That's the newer engine. I disassembled the wheels. It's actually a spare parts engine right now. But let's go over the details. One thing that you're drawn to is the front of the engine. It's got a red cow catcher, a silver painted smoke box, a black headlight, a blue smokestack, blue painted drive rods, red wheels, a blue painted cab. I added this figure, by the way. It originally didn't come with it when I got it from eBay. And a blue and red tender. And of course it came with only one gondola, but I have two because this first gondola was from my original set when I was a kid, and I've had it ever since. And the new gondola that came with the engine when I got this off of eBay has a yield sticker painted on the back. I mean, not painted, stuck on the back. I assume this was poorly put on by the previous owner. It doesn't bother me, but if I wanted to, I could peel it off and have my friend remake that sticker and put it back on, but I'm not going to do that. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it on and send it down the track. isn't she a beauty? Hopefully I will probably look forward to running this down the track, but I'm gonna have to see what I can do about the front pilot wheel. It keeps wanting to ride off the rails. More about that in a future episode. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this review about this very rare and very unique 4112 Service Railway Express set. I do plan to renumber it. At some point, I'm gonna ask, at some point when the time is right, I'm gonna ask my friend Mr. James Conductor to renumber it. I'm either gonna number it 7 or 8, or flip it over and make it 9. Guys, leave me down in the comments, what do you think I should renumber it? Because once I fix, for those of you who don't know, if you remember my other 4112 Service Railway Express set, the one with the remote and the good sound, to tell you the truth, that engine is out of commission right now. I've accidentally added way too much oil into the household oil thing on the top of the smokestack. I went to my storage unit and got these trains out. Of course, this was in the trunk of my car. And I completely forgot that I packed away that engine in its own box. So I'm going to do whatever when I go back to the storage unit, I'm going to get my engine out and drain all the oil, and then wipe down the outside of the engine to make sure it has a smooth run, and hopefully it won't have too much oil in it, and I'll just leave it as it is. And a word of advice, y'all, when you have a scientific mogul that smokes, don't ever add way too much household oil, because what it will do, if I use this engine as an example, it'll go down to the wheels and it'll cause the wheels to slip on their traction tires, which makes it look like it's limping. So whatever you do, if you see smoke come out of the top, that means it has plenty of oil. You never ever need to add oil unless you are for sure that the engine has indeed stopped smoking. And I've learned it the hard way, to be honest. Hopefully this year, after Easter, I'll head back to the storage unit, get that engine out, get it drained completely, and get it fixed. I have ordered a spare exact engine from eBay to swap its wheels for my engine. And once it's ready to go, I'm going to be running this train you see in front of me and my other train on a continuous loop of track. I'm going to custom build scientific toy track switch points by using plank of wood, and I'm going to have one curve rotate. I actually saw a guy who has a service railway layout make his own switch by just rotating a piece of curve around like a turntable. And I thought that would be great. That's actually a great idea. So anyway, thanks for tuning in. I'm Railfan Ryan. This is Texas Railfan 21. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to get future notifications for any videos I post on YouTube. And also give this a like and share my videos to your friends, for anyone who wants to be a Texas Rail fan. This is what my channel is all about. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more railroad entertainment.